Hey guys, we are super excited about ClassWise. ClassWise is the management tool that we have purchased and that we are going to be using to really manage what's going on Chromebooks. And so, of our Chromebooks, we know that they are in grades 2 through 12, and so we're asking all teachers in grades 2 through 12 to take this training. This is a two-step training. And so, the first one is really happening now. And so, you can go in and learn all about it, to learn what it can do for you, how you might use it, and those types of things. The second hour we're going to ask you to do is actually when we go live to go in and set up your classroom and prepare for using it with students. We have a goal of using it with students in fourth quarter. We want to get our students ready for what this looks like for next year. We want you to be able to have some time to play around with it and really understand it and see what it can do for you, and how you manage your classroom, so that when we launch into 24-25, you're ready to rock, and it's something that everybody is just really ready to use and know how to operate. Class-wise, and with that, when we go live, we anticipate it to be the end of next week or for sure by March 1st. So once we have directions, I will send that out. But we are just waiting for us to get the final directions of how we move forward, and for us to be live. What we can do now, though, is that training, and the modules, it's an a la carte style. You choose what you want, but we're going to ask you to spend an hour just kind of going through modules and figuring out what ClassWise can do for you, so you can see all the features that it has. So you're going to click on, the first one is an article about ClassWise, but the second link here on A is the onboarding process. So you can see how this looks, the onboarding process, learning resources, deployment checklists. It talks a little bit about teams. In the district, both Mark and I are on here and trying to make sure you guys are supported. For some reason, I don't know why, this link on learning resources is not live. So where you're going to go, you're going to go to learning resources. Once you go to the top, you go to more, it's learning resources. You click on that. You scroll down, LineWise learning resources. You click on that. It's going to populate a new page, and you can go to School Manager, ClassWise, Monitor, Pulse, Community. You're clicking on ClassWise, and it talks about the classroom. There's on-demand learning, ClassWise knowledge, FAQs, best practices. Go to the on-demand learning. You can play around anywhere in here, but on-demand learning has some great stuff. And so you can see there's a video here. It's about 30 minutes of the training of what this looks like. Tells you a little bit about what's happening. There's a guide here that's a PDF, and so it kind of has some picture resources here to show you exactly what dashboards look like and explain what you're going to see when you see it on your dashboard. You can take a peek at that. Some help articles here, but then there's also the bite-sized stuff, which is about 2 to 5 minutes, 6 minute videos that gives you a little bit about how do I get started, what are the tools and tiles, that kind of thing. And so there's some great resources here that we are super excited about. So you're going to spend an hour of learning on the on-demand learning suite of ClassWise, okay? So I'm just going to review, how did I get here? So you're going to go to the link that, I'm going to go right back to the page. You're going to go to the link that is on this page. You're going to click on it. Remember, our live link on this first one doesn't work, so you'll go to more, learning resources, LineWise learning resources, and then I'm into ClassWise right here. Okay, so you have an hour now, and then as soon as I get information from ClassWise on how you are going to actually see students in the system, we'll give you an hour to prep and prepare and to see what it looks like, and we'll be in touch about that. Awesome. Thanks, guys. We're super excited about this and excited to see what it does for you to be able to manage your classrooms as you are hoping to. All right, take care.